Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find passwords and security. As you can see in the screen lock section, on the, let's say, right upper position, we've got the fingerprint unlock. So let's tap on it. And here, this is actually the very first step of adding the fingerprint. I know it's quite strange, but we have to set an additional screen lock. It is because that if for some reason the the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device using the screen lock option, so the pattern, pin or password. So it's up to you, of course, which option you'd like to use. If you don't want to set the screen lock, then you will not be able to add the fingerprint. So let me pick the pattern, for example. Here we've got actually the info which I've just told you, so that you have to remember this screen lock and you have to set it because you will be able to unlock your device without going through the hard reset operation. So just tap on got it, and here we have to set it. So let me draw the pattern, redraw it and confirm. And right now we can add our fingerprint. So the sensor is located on the screen in this device. So all you have to do is to simply put your finger on the sensor, just like that. And here we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. Of course, release the finger, just take your finger if you feel the vibration and put it again and again. And take your time, of course, because okay, so as you can see, it's quite easy in this device. So we've just saved our fingerprint. Let's tap on done, and we've been immediately transferred to the fingerprint settings. So this is the fingerprint we just added. After tapping on it, we can rename it if we want to. So let me do it because why not? So let me rename it. Just tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner in order to confirm. What's more, from this step you can also remove the fingerprint if you want to. So you can add another, of course, and under it you've got the section in which you can decide for what do you want to use the fingerprint for. So you can use it for the lock screen, and this option is defaultly turned on, but also for the privacy, password, app lock, shortcuts and the fingerprint payments. It's of course up to you. I will just leave it like this. And here we've got the fingerprint animation, low light fingerprint unlock, and a show fingerprint icon when the screen is off. Again, just set it like you want to. I will leave it like this. Let me get back and let's check if it is actually working. So let me lock the device, and we had the option with the fingerprint on the screen. So even if it is locked, and the fingerprint sensor will appear, and you can just put your finger in this place. And as you can see, we had the animation and the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added our fingerprint to it. So actually this is it. This is how to add the fingerprint in your Xiaomi 12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.